guys, welcome to my channel. This is your first time here. This is my first video. Who knows what this will be. You can just like, comment, and subscribe down below. Let's cut to the chase. Today we are going to be doing a unboxing of JW P something. Don't know how it's pronounced, but yeah, it's spelled JW space PEI period. Not sure if it's, don't know where it's based out of. I mean, the shipping address looks American, looks like it came from New Jersey, so who knows. So I got two bags. I got a over the shoulder and I think a crossbody, I believe. Before I do the whole unboxing thing, pretty much let's talk about shipping. Also, if you see my broken nail, don't mind it, it's getting fixed. But anyway, also don't mind my hair, don't mind me today, I just look like a ragamuffin. But besides that, so shipping, pretty much I ordered these bags maybe last month. You see, I ordered this bag maybe I ordered this bag last month, I believe, roughly last month. It took around like 2 weeks. It got lost for a good week. Contacted customer service. They did do, make sure he not peeing on my bed, but shipping, they did do a good job with communication wise, so that was a plus. Because since it was lost for so long, they were actually willing to send me out 2 new bags of whichever choice I wanted. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. So let's just get to this unboxing business. And yeah, so the first box, it comes like this, wrapped up pretty good. They even take the size, which I like that. Okay, so the box says made in China. So you know, a lot of things say made in China, but is the business based in China? I don't know. This is what the box comes in. What the box is, what the bag comes in. I think it's the drugs. I'm not sure what's going on with me. So yeah, let's see. Ooh, it comes with a dust bag. I love a good dust bag. Also, these bags are not really that expensive. This bag was probably like, especially because they always have a sale going on, this bag was maybe $30 something roughly. But this is a pretty big, spacious shoulder bag. Didn't expect it to be this big, to be honest. Yeah, I really kind of like it. It feels quite sturdy. The inside comes with paper, so it's nice and firm and stuff. There's no zippers on the inside. Not sure if you can see it on the inside, but oh, look at that. Comes with its own little serial number. Overall, I'm really liking this bag. This bag is cute. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you. And it matches, low-key, the color matches my hat. So, but no, this is super cute. Definitely like this bag. Yeah, this is a plus. What I really love is how they have a dust bag. Was not expecting a dust bag at all, because most bags that you know, you would buy from like Fashion Nova or like one of those other brands, there is no dust bag, so I really appreciate the dust bag. Okay, so that was bag number 1. Now, bag number 2 is in this box right here. Again, it's coming nicely wrapped up. Let's see, it's like Christmas. Boom, another box. Loving the boxes. Super cute where I can put them in the closet and stuff. Okay. I'm not sure. I wonder if I could reuse. I probably could. This is super cute. Can't tie it up though. It's not drawstring, but I'm still messing with it. Super cute. Okay. And they done doubly wrapped it again. I'm really liking this. They really take time to really prep their products for packaging. Really love it. Oh my God. Tell me this color is not fire. Like, come on. Come on. Oh, look at that color. I cannot. This color is fire. Wow. Okay, so. Oh, wow. So you just literally, another piece of paper. You just literally push this up and it unlocks. So this is, I believe, yeah, the over-the-shoulder bag. Over-the-shoulder, crossbody, whichever one. This is the strap. Oh, the color is just giving me life. Hook this bad boy on. Also, notice that the color accents on the clutches and the chain and stuff is gold, as the other one, the over-the-shoulder bag, was silver, I believe. Yeah, so the zipper was silver, everything was silver. This one is gold. Yikes. This one is gold. I'm trying to just latch it on. And yeah. Oh shit. Put it on wrong. So yeah, this is the bag afterwards. This is the inside. Okay, so yeah, pretty much bag is super duper nice. Really like it. It has 2 compartments, as you can see, with a zipper right here. Has its own serial number as well. Yeah, I'm really liking it. Literally beating my expectations, not gonna lie. Yeah, I'm definitely in love with these bags. Just so cute. Both the bags, I can't. So cute. Like, just look at that. How can you not love them? But yeah, guys, that'll be all for today. But besides the shipping and stuff, the bags seem like really good quality. I would definitely order from this company again. Yeah, and that's pretty much it for today. I got nothing else, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want more things like this, let me know. I'm willing to literally buy from anywhere, black owned, not black owned. Stores that you're unsure about. So if you don't want to take the risk, I will for you. Okay, so yeah, thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all next time.